How to uninstall Steam from your Windows. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can uninstall Steam from your Windows 11 computer. So to uninstall Steam, simply go to the task manager and search for Steam. And once you find it here, you can click onto this uninstall button. Now it will lead you to the settings, and from here you can again type in Steam. If it does not shows up, then click onto these three dots and choose the second option, that is uninstall. Now this says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, click onto this uninstall button and then click onto the yes button. Now this says Steam will be uninstalled from the following folder. Click uninstall to start the uninstallation. So simply click onto this uninstall button, and here you can see that the Steam files are being uninstalled. So just wait for the process to finish, and once the uninstallation process finish, you will see this completed option. You can click onto the close button and Steam has been successfully removed from a Windows computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.